Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to add your headphones Bowers and Wilkins PX7 to the application. So firstly we should pairing them with a phone, and if you did it, just go to the step 2. Now open the settings, go to Bluetooth, then slide up this power button, and you can see that this LED light it starts blinking blue, and if it doesn't, just slide up and hold it until it's starting to blinking. Here we go. Now click on it at the device list and hide the settings. Now step 2, open the application, and firstly you should sign in into your account and then click next, hello, next, hello, start looking, now click on it, swipe up this power button, done, not now, and we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!